First key development in the bank audit. If we talk about various challenges in the last 1 year, we have seen certain consolidation in the banking where two or more bank has been merged into one bank. So we have to see what negatives and positive assertions are there. Transmissions of the rate cut in the to be back ended. If there is any rate reduction, then it has to be supported by the IT system and back end पर इसकी calculation क्या की गई है. Thereafter, better recoveries plus new age defaults. In the last 1 year, we have seen more accounts becoming NPA, but due to the government policies and government measures, we also get better recoveries options and new age default also arise. So we have to check what are those area where we have to special attention required as part of the banking concerns. Fraudsters are making different angle for creating the frauds. Seamless and low cost banking. Banking measures is depend on the IT systems. They are investing so much amount in the IT system thereafter so that they can involve the seamless and low cost banking for the every customers situated nationwide or global. Closer collaborations with fintechs. They are entering into other collaborations with the fintech companies where finance technology companies are offering different angles. This is the entire outlook of the banking system where we have to analyze those factors. Thereafter, we can start our audit process.
Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Skipping this all the basic slides because already many people are using, but still if you are not using, please do sign up and support. We focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.